Name a material commonly used to create the laminated core of a transformer. So what sort of thing do we use for the core of a transformer? We want something that's very, very permeable to magnetic fields, so the magnetic field should be able to pass through it without any trouble. And it turns out we know of a couple of materials like that. We use soft iron. So an iron core for a transformer will allow magnetic field to pass through it very, very easily. Exactly what we want. How about part B, a material used to create household wiring? So, one common material for household wiring is copper. Copper is a very conductive metal. Sometimes aluminium is used instead. Aluminium isn't quite as conductive as copper, but it is lighter. What about a material used to create the brushes on a DC motor? Now, if we have a DC motor, it needs brushes, right? Brushes that need to be able to conduct electricity and slide over a commutator without slowing it down. So the perfect sort of material for this is a conductor that is also a lubricant. It can slip easily on the commutator. And so one such material is, of course, graphite. So usually we use graphite to construct the brushes for a DC motor.